Hey everyone. Welcome back to Mindful Mentors 12. Graduation cap sparkles today. We'll explore 5 essential study tips to help you maximize your learning and boost your success. Whether you're a student or a lifelong learner, these tips are for you. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Create a dedicated study space. Having a specific spot for studying helps minimize distractions and signals your brain that it's time to focus. Keep it organized with all the materials you need at hand. Tip number 2. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This method can boost your focus and prevent burnout. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. It's a game changer. Tip number 3. Set clear, achievable goals for each study session. Instead of saying, "I'll study for 2 hours," try, "I'll finish chapter 3 and take notes on key concepts." This gives you direction and a sense of accomplishment. Tip number 4. Engage in active learning. Instead of just reading text, discuss concepts with others, teach what you've learned, or use flashcards. The more you interact with the material, the better you'll understand and remember it. And finally, tip number 5. Practice mindfulness. Take a moment to breathe deeply, meditate, or visualize your success before and after study sessions. This can help reduce anxiety and improve focus, allowing you to study more effectively. So there you have it, 5 essential study tips to help you succeed. Remember, everyone learns differently, so feel free to adapt these tips to what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more educational content, and let us know your favorite study tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy studying. Seedling.